Yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? It's your boy Clark. Now we out here with the Rion re80. I done had it for a minute. You know what I'm saying? Hit a few corners, bust my but we back at it though, you feel me? re80, 80 miles power, 2 batteries, 2 motors, you know what I'm saying? 19.2 thousand watts, you know what I'm saying? If you're speeding, you probably get about 20 miles. So if you're just cruising, probably about 30, 35, depending on what you got going on. Yeah, man, fun scooter. Not a toy though. I'm gonna tell you like that. It's not a toy. It's serious business. Serious business, man. You fall off this thing, as you can see, I done fell off that thing. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be careful, man. If you're thinking about getting one of these, it's a big investment. It's dangerous. Be careful. Probably go somewhere, test ride it before you can get on. Hey, call me. You know what I'm saying? Hit me in the, you know what I mean? Hit me. I'll let you get on it just to see if you want to spin your 7 bands, because you're going to spin 7 bands. Yeah, man, we're going to hit a few corners and we're going to show y'all what it do. You know what I'm saying?